How to log in to 3D warehouse. So if you want to log into your 3D warehouse, then first of all open up your browser and go for the search bar. Search for 3D warehouse and simply go for the first search. Now you can go for the upper right corner which has that profile icon and simply click on sign in. Now to sign into your account, you can either sign in with your Google, Apple or your Microsoft, but I'll be entering my email address. And after that you can click on next. And now you have to enter your password. But if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot password option. You can click on that and then you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember, then simply enter it and then click on sign in. And that's it. That's how you log into your 3D warehouse. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.